Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. DOT chart basically unchanged, but actually since yesterday's video we've had a little bit more of a decline and we touched the support area. So let's first take a look at where we actually are. And the idea is very consistent with previous updates that a third wave likely topped. So we have a 3-wave move up of the October lows, wave 1. Wave 2, wave 3. Yep, could also be an ABC, but let's give it the benefit of the doubt as long as support levels are holding. And the support levels are here between $8.16 and $6.81. DOT has done a phenomenal job in terms of respecting and reacting to our support and resistance levels in recent weeks. For example, here, most recently, the price reached our target at $9.62. There were two targets I mentioned here. $8.95 was the first one, where we had a small reaction, and then $9.62 was the, let's say, the ideal target. And with that, the price likely completed a third wave. We're now likely in wave 4, and actually, it also reacted to these support zones before very nicely. So the idea is that in an ideal world, the price would also react again to the next support area, which is this wave 4. Again, the next line of support is at $8.16, and it's a 23.6 Fibonacci level. And we already have seen now a reaction to it, but the price action of the lows is too insignificant to confirm in any way that a low has formed already in wave 4. Normally, when we're dealing with a correction like that, I'd like to see the price get to the 38.2 retracement in a wave 4. It did that here as well. But bear in mind, it could just be, touching it and then go. So for now, I prefer still lower. Also, if we measure the internals here, so take the look at the A wave, compare that with the length of the C wave. Oftentimes, you'd be looking at the area between the 100% extension and the 161.8 extension. So that starts at $7.88. Now the price reacted to the 61.8 extension. That can be, in rare circumstances, a first target for a C wave, but more common is the 100% extension. That's at $7.88. So this is going to be the next level to watch. And then, possibly down to $7.23. Don't get me wrong, the entire support area is relevant, but we can add another focus area within it by looking at the Fibonacci extensions. Basically, the orange box is for the wave 4 as a whole, whereas the white Fibonacci zones, they are just the direct projections. Where the orange box, these are the retracement levels, and they are the support area in terms of, the wave 4 as a whole, correcting the third wave. Basically, the support for a counter trend move. The white Fibonacci zones, they are the extension levels, and they are measured into the direction of the waves. So I take the length of the wave A, for example, and project out a direct target for the wave C. All of them are relevant, but sometimes we get areas of confluence, and I think there's this particular area between $7.88 and $7.23, which is also overlapping with a 38.2 retracement level here. So pay attention to that. I might actually leave that on the chart. So let's take that out. And so more like that, And this is an area specifically to watch within the overall support area. It would take minimally a break above the B wave high now at $9 to suggest that wave 4 already finished. And then if we talk about the next targets to the upside in wave 5, we talk about, well, I can add the 1.5 extension. It is not really a common one, but it's one that the price might choose to react to in case of another high. So that's at $10.21, but I would prefer at least $10.82 for a fifth wave to the upside, possibly even $11.76 in a more bullish environment, even $13, but that would be quite a stretch target for a fifth wave. That's my update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.